In this video, I'm going to show you how to export reports into Excel. I'm going to use the profit and loss to demonstrate this. And it automatically takes me into the modern view. I can change whatever parameters I want to change up here at the top. And then once I'm done, I would just click on this export button and choose to export to Excel. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and open that. And this is what the report looks like. I'm going to go ahead and choose to enable editing. And you can see there's some icons over here on the left that allows me to take parts out if I only want to see part of this report. Okay, I'm going to go back and look at the other view. Here it gives me the option to switch to the classic view of the report, which is actually the report view that I prefer personally. And I can again change the parameters if I want to. I can customize this, but I'm just going to leave it as is. And I'm going to click on this little arrow and I'm going to choose Export to Excel. And then I'm going to open that up. Now this opens up a little bit differently. It doesn't have the icons on the left, and it actually shows zeros all the way down until I click on this Enable Editing icon. And now you can see the numbers. So the Excel spreadsheet itself looks different depending on which view you look at. Okay, I'm going to go back into QuickBooks and go back to the report page. And I want to show you a report that I like to export to Excel. So I'm going to scroll down and choose the general ledger. And usually I'm looking at this for the year, but sometimes I'm looking at it for a shorter period of time. I'm going to go ahead and choose this year and run the report. And this report is a pretty big report usually. It basically shows all of the transactions for the year or for the time period. So I'm going to go ahead and export this to Excel. And here it is in Excel. And the reason why I like to export this into Excel is because I can search for things really easily in Excel. So I'm going to click on Find and Select. And I'm going to type in whatever I want to look for. So let's say I want to look for everything related to Hall properties. And then I would click on Find Next, and it's going to take me to every instance of Hall properties. It's going to take me to this one bill that was posted to rent expense. It also takes me to the checking account transaction, and it takes me to accounts payable with the bill and the bill payment. So for me, I personally prefer to look for things this way. If I just absolutely can't find something, a lot of times I can export this report to Excel and find something more quickly. Now I'm going to go back to QuickBooks really quickly and show you that I can search in QuickBooks for that same thing. And this is what it comes up with in QuickBooks. So I actually found what I was looking for more quickly in Excel. So experiment with both of those things and see what works for you. Okay, I'm going to go back to the reports page really quickly before I end this video. And basically, I just want to point out that pretty much any of these reports can be exported to Excel. I could click on any one of these. I could switch to the classic view or keep this modern view, and I would just look for the little icon with the arrow and then choose Export to Excel. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and thank you for watching.